In today's video, I'll walk you through how to get started as a Roadie driver using the mobile app. If you're not yet signed up with Roadie or other gig platforms, we'll include helpful links in the description below. To start, open the app Roadie, then tap on Sign In. On the fields provided, enter your account email and password. Once entered, tap on Sign In. A 6-digit code will be sent to the number you have provided. Enter it on the field provided. Then tap on Submit. On this screen, you'll need to verify your identity. Simply check the box to agree, and then tap on Start Verification to continue. Next, place the front of your driver's license in the frame. After that, you will need to verify your identity with a quick face scan. This ensures an accurate match and helps confirm your identity securely. Once verified, tap on Continue. Now, on the fields provided, enter your first and last name, email address, password, and mobile number. Once entered, tap on the checkbox beside the text that says I consent to receiving automated texts at the mobile number you have provided. Then tap on Sign Up. Then, sign in to Roadie with your email address and password. A 6-digit code will be sent to the number you have provided. Enter it on the field provided. Then tap on Submit. Next, on the field provided, enter your social security number. Then, read through Roadie Consumer Report. Once read, and if everything looks good, click on the checkbox at the bottom of the screen. Then click on Next. After that, enter your payment information such as the routing and account number in the fields provided. Once entered, click on Next. Next, you will be asked to provide a profile picture. Lastly, you will be asked to provide a profile picture. If you wish to take a selfie, tap on the button that says I'm ready. You could also choose to upload a profile picture. Tap on the option you wish to choose. Now you will see that your profile is done. That's how you sign in as a Roadie driver using the mobile app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.